If you're new to Windows 10, one of the things I recommend that you get used to doing is using the search box down the bottom left hand corner. You left click into it, the cursor will appear, and from here you can type anything and find anything on your computer. For example, if you wanted to find WordPad, which is a free word processing tool that comes with Windows 10, you type in WordPad. If you want to repair your computer or have problems with the computer, you could type in repair. The fix problems with your computer app will appear in the menu, and you can click on that and find and fix problems with your computer. If you wanted to reset Windows 10, you type in reset and you can reset the PC back to factory settings. If you're looking for documents, you can type documents into the search box and you can find documents and files on your computer down here. If you want to find photographs, you can type in photos or pictures and the app will appear up here. If you want to remove a program that's been installed on your computer, you can type in remove and then you can add or remove programs here. If you want to add a printer or have problems with your printer or want to change settings with your printer, type in printer and you can access your printer and scanner settings by clicking here. If you want to assess the security of your computer, you can type in security and access the security settings right here. If you want to change the background of your computer, you can type in background. This will allow you to change the background of your computer by clicking here. So the list is almost endless. Get used to clicking into the search box and searching for things on your computer. It will stand you in good stead for the future. If the search box isn't present on your computer down the bottom left hand corner, one of the things you can do is click onto the taskbar down the bottom, right click once onto it. It will open up a menu. Go to the search option. Check to see if this is ticked here. It may be that it appears like this on your computer. If that's the case, you can right click on the taskbar down the bottom, go to search, move the pointer over and left click on show search box. That will make your search box appear down the bottom left hand corner, and I always recommend that you have that search box present.